What's happening, YouTube? Charles and Chargers back with another video, and excited for this one. Favorite mail day of the month. Got the rookie card explosion box. This is my first one in the new place. We'll get right into it. I already dumped the peanuts out to save some time. Got our list here. We'll go over this as we go along here. Here's our packs, and we did get a bonus pack this month. The Series 2 silver pack. Got the 93 Bowman. Got the 16 Topps Chrome retail. 19 Chrome retail. 22 Bowman retail. 22 Bowman Draft First Edition. 22 Series 2. 23 Bowman Chrome. And 23 Topps Chrome. With potential buybacks. Give me 1 second here. See if I can't... there we go. Try and shed some of that light off. Okay. All right, let's get right into it here. Let's start with the 93 Bowman. Looking for Jeter and Mo Rivera. Okay, starting off with a Sid, Coffee, and Bream. Rick Green. All right, the rest of these are kind of... I forgot this product's flipped like all different ways. Roger Clemens. Rick Wilkins. Man, there's just nothing I can do with that lighting to get that off there. David Hulse, Pudge Fisk, Ivan Calderon, Player of the Year, Carolina League, California Penal League, Greg Hansel, Jeff Mutis, there we go, Benito Santiago, one of my favorites growing up, Tony Longmire, and Eddie Murray. Oh, and there's the JT Snow. All right, 16 Chrome, Seager, Trey Turner, Schwarber, Marte, and a Correa Auto. We've got Aroldis Chapman. Justin Upton. Adrian Gonzalez. That's cool. Always liked him. And Ben Zobrist. Gonzalez was such an underrated player, I thought. All right, 19 Chrome. Tatis, Austin Riley Auto, Vladdy, Tucker, Ohtani Rookie Cup, and Acuna Cup. All right, got B-Craw, Kevin Newman rookie, Jacob deGrom throwback, and Mad Max. All right. Up next, 22 Bowman, De La Cruz, Churio, and Wood. Okay, you got Charlie Blackmon, Bobby Dahlbeck, Adolis Garcia, Otto Lopez rookie, Reed Detmers rookie. There we go. O'Neal Cruz. Acuna. Jason Dominguez. Khalil Watson first. Yohendrick Pinango. Dory Lorenzo first. And Alan Cerda first. Not a bad pack though, really. Not bad. All right, 22 Bowman Draft. First edition. Holiday, Johnson, Gilbert, Young, Gross, DeLauder, Williams, Lee. All right, starting off with a Drew Gilbert first. Christian Hernandez. Gavin Cross. All right, that's one of them. Cool. That we're looking for. George Valera. Bear with me here. I'm just kind of looking at the list as I go. Oh, okay, Drew Gilbert. That was another one. Cole Phillips. Cole Phillips base. Harry Ford. Henry Williams. Curtis Mead. And Angel Martinez. All right, so got a couple of base of the guys we're looking for. That works. All right, Topps Series 2. J-Rod SP, Witt SP, Torque SP, Strider, and O'Neal Cruz. All right. Patrick Corbin, Alcantara, Eric Haas, Carlos Correa, Nathaniel Lowe, Jonathan Scope, Kevin Kiermaier, Yoan Moncada, foil of the Red Sox, Tyler O'Neill, Generation Now, Trace Thompson, Brad Miller, Charlie Burns, and Alex Verdugo. All right, 23 Chrome. And there's a slew of guys to look for. Oswaldo Cabrera. Arenado. Gennaro Miller. All right, not on the list, but is color though. Number 101 out of 199. Nice looking card too. Kevin Eru. I know I was butchered the piss out of that. Sorry. I'll learn them. And Elian Soto first. All right. 23 Chrome. Looking for a whole slew of guys. Carroll, Rutschman, Henderson, Young, Volpe, Walker, Harris, Yoshida, Casas, Alvarez, and then Ohtani and Acuna, MVPs. First time ever named unanimous MVPs, both guys. Chrome. Mackenzie Gore. No. Alex Call, rookie, and Ketel Marte. All right, and our bonus pack. The Series 2 Silver Pack. That's cool. Rod Carew. Kirby Puckett. Stan the Man. Oh. Corbin Burns. 1 of 1. Got a super. Oh. Whoa, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Only the second time I've ever pulled a super. The first is the, I got AJ Green's rookie, 101. Corbin Burns, look at that. That's cool. Wow. Very cool. The bonus pack paid off. Bonus pack paid off. All right. Just a quick recap here. I like all the players in the bonus pack anyway, but what an end. Corbin Burns, 101. Gennaro Miller out of 199. Drew Gilbert, paper first. Gavin Cross, paper first. Watson first. Dominguez. O'Neal Cruz, rookie. And then just 2 guys I keep off to the side for myself. Max and Adrian Gonzalez. So, quite a finish. Corbin Burns, 101. Good deal. All right. As always, thank you to Fillington for putting this together. That is all I got for this one, guys. I'll be looking forward to watching your videos. Good luck with your boxes. And I'm not sure if I'll have another video this week or not. I'm leaning toward no, but we'll see. If not, everybody have a safe and happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy all the family time that you can get. And like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you in the next one, guys.